I'm going to show you how you can connect ProtoTwin to the Schneider Modicon M221 PLC using Modbus for virtual commissioning and controls testing. First, open the Machine Expert basic software. Go to Application Protection and set both read and write protection to inactive. Now swap to the Configuration tab, then drag and drop your M221 controller and click Yes. After that, click ETH1, then enter your controller's IP address and gateway address. You also need to check the Programming Protocol Enabled and Modbus Server Enabled checkboxes. Now click Apply, then open Modbus TCP, enable Modbus Mapping, then click Apply again. Now we're ready to start creating the control logic for the pallet layer former. Select memory bits in the sidebar and create 5 tags with addresses M0 to M4 for the in-sensor, out-sensor, end-sensor, conveyor motor, and pusher actuation controller. For rung 0, add 2 input contacts and 1 output coil, then connect the 2 together. After doing that, insert a new rung, then add 1 input contact. Join it to an off-delay timer block and set the preset time to 1 second. And finally, add an output coil. We want the conveyor to be on when either the in-sensor or out-sensor is blocked. We want to set the pusher's actuation controller state to true when the end sensor is blocked, then reset it to false after a 1-second delay. Now swap to the Commissioning tab, then click Connect. Select your Ethernet device and click Log In. Okay, now select PC to controller to download your program onto the PLC and just click OK twice if you get these messages. And finally, click Start Controller to start running your program. Now launch ProtoTwin Connect and open the model for the pallet layer former. Open the I/O browser and add a tag server for the PLC device. Select the Modbus TCP protocol. Change the type to Modicon. Enter the device's IP address and click Save. Now click the Add button to manually add the tags. Enter a name for the tag. The address which we defined when we created the variables in the Machine Expert basic software and the data type which you can leave as bit. You can click or control-click to quickly create bindings for all the tags. Now swap to the Bindings tab and select the signals in the model. The entity component and property. We want to bind to each of the tags. The input tags are those which get written to the PLC, which then runs the program so the ProtoTwin Connect client can read the output tags. Okay, now we've set up all the bindings, we can run the simulation. Remember our logic. When the in-sensor or out-sensor is blocked, the conveyor motor is turned on. And when the end sensor is blocked, the pusher is activated, then deactivated 1 second after the end sensor is cleared. And as you can see, the machine appears to be working correctly and is being controlled entirely by our Modicon M221 PLC. And if you open the Machine Expert basic software, you should see the input and output tag values being updated whilst our simulation is running. And that's it. Now you should know how to connect ProtoTwin to the Schneider Modicon M221 PLC for controlling your own industrial machines. Thank you for watching.